This is how you know my love is yours. Come on, did you want it? And take the time and throw me on the floor.
Hello everyone, it's Faye here. It's been a while and today I want to show you one eyeshadow palette makeup tutorial. This Dasique Berry Smoothie makeup look. It's a sweet and fresh look which can make you look younger than your real age. Trust me. Now, let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, I'm going to apply a glow foundation to create a smooth, dewy skin look. And then I'm going to cover my dark circles as well. Don't worry, this makeup tutorial is really easy, so make sure to watch it until the end. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows. Try to make it look as natural as possible, so make sure not to draw a thick harsh line. For the face contour, I'm going to use Cool Tone Stick Contour to contour my nose and my jawline. For this tutorial, I choose Cool Tone shade to match with the eyeshadow color. And then, this is my favorite contour palette at the moment because it has a natural finish and I'm going to apply a little bit to set the cream contour. Let's do the eye makeup after this. I'm going to use one eyeshadow palette only. This eyeshadow palette has caught my interest and I think it's worth the money because it has many colors in one palette. Let's apply the base color first. Dasique eyeshadow is really pigmented, but the fallout is kinda too much in my opinion, so make sure to tap your brush before apply the eyeshadow onto your eyelid. Move to the second color, which is purplish pink color. It's a trend color for spring this year. I know I'm kinda late with this tutorial, but I hope it's still helpful. And then apply lighter color onto the lower lid. Next, I'm going to make the eyes look deeper by applying medium brown color. And then take the dark chocolate color and rim the eyes carefully. Next, I'm going to apply some glitter eyeshadow to make the eye makeup look prettier. Look at this glitter, it's so pretty, right? I'm using brown pencil liner to draw the eyeliner and draw the tail a little bit longer at the end to make the eyes look bigger. Now I'm going to finish off the eye makeup by applying false lashes and mascara. After that, I'm going to apply my current favorite blouser, this blueberry milk. this blueberry milk blouser. This color is used by Korean makeup artists for many K-pop idols' makeup. For the lips, I'm going to apply light purplish pink lip tint as the base color. And then I'm going to apply a pink plum color on top of it. Start from the inner part and blend it out to create a soft gradient lips. For the last touch, let's apply a little bit of highlighter. Now, the makeup is done.
This is how you know my love is yours.
So that's it for the tutorial. What do you think about it? If you want to watch more tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to get the notification. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
You wanna